Good evening, Alan Honner for the Democracy Fund. We have a very few short questions for you. I should be out of here in 2 minutes. We've heard evidence.
Is that a promise?
Well, it's an aspiration.
Okay, that's what I thought.
So we've heard evidence about how the province of Alberta procured its own equipment after having trouble securing tow trucks. But before doing that, I understand that the RCMP contacted tow truck companies from the Western and Northwestern United States, but they all refused to help. Is that right?
Correct. They refused, or some weren't able to. There were, I'll say, various reasons why they were not able to assist.
And one of the reasons why some of those tow operators were unable to assist was because they were unvaccinated.
I'm sorry, is that a question?
Yes.
And your question is?
Is that correct?
Yes, in regard to the operators in the United States, that was some of the feedback we received when we made some of that contact.
They were prevented from coming into Canada because there was an order in council in place which prevented unvaccinated people from coming into the country unless they were part of an exempted class. Does that sound right to you?
Could be.
Tow truck drivers were not part of that exempted class as far as you know?
I'm not certain.
Okay. And this border mandate, this border mandate that we're talking about, the vaccine mandate, was in fact one of the animating factors behind the Coots protests and other protests across Canada.
It seemed that when that was put in place on January 15th, that the activity in relation to convoys and protests increased.
Okay, thank you. Those are my questions.
Okay.
2 minutes, dead on. Okay.
With your support, our lawyers will be in Ottawa for the next few weeks, trying to hold our government accountable for its improper declaration of an emergency. To follow our work in the inquiry, visit thedemocracyfund.ca/commission, and please consider making a tax-deductible donation to help contribute to our fight. We thank you so much for your support.